What's up everybody, Sami here. I finally got the Xiaomi 14 Ultra that I ordered, and this is the official version, not those demo machines in the Xiaomi shop or those prototypes that big YouTubers got. So you can really trust me in my videos. And I'm planning to make a shit ton of videos comparing with all other flagships. This is the first of them. Let's compare the Xiaomi 14 Ultra with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra just to see how much it has improved. I've also included the Xiaomi 14 Pro in the mix just to cover everything. I don't think you don't want to miss out on all of this. So definitely subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please subscribe because I did all of this just for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Now I want to check out the focus. That is fast for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Oh, now let's check out the 14 Ultra. 14 Ultra, super fast and like how smooth is it, right? Like no breathing effect at all. Okay, really fast, very natural, smooth transition. Smooth transition. Not bad. You see? Okay, very fast as well.
Okay.
Guys, now I'm testing the 4K 60 stabilization. Okay. Okay, let's check out. Okay, let's check out. Steady Pro! That only supports 1080 30 FPS. Okay. Alright. You can tell me which one has the best stabilization. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys like use this heavily because they only support 1080, 30. Sometimes I feel like it's, default stabilization is already good enough. Okay, let's see. No, to the front camera. Okay, so I need to be like this. Okay. Okay, you can just for the other two, like for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Pro, I may not in the center. So you can just check out like the sky, the dynamic range, and the stabilization and everything. So from what I can see on the screen, Xiaomi 14 Ultra is definitely the best, I guess. And the second better is the Xiaomi 14 Pro because I can see the sky. Not totally blown out, but I need to view this on the bigger screen, and you guys can always leave what you think in the comments. So I will just walk. Okay. I will just walk around a little bit. There's my cameraman Ashley. Okay, the sky. Alright. So let's say. Okay, let me run a little bit. I can see like lots of noise on the three phones. It's still a lot of time to go to get a decent night videos or night videos for phones, right? But anyway, that is the front camera. Please subscribe, by the way. Hey, so this is the 4K 30 FPS at night. So I'm a handholder, so you can see the difference between the two. I have to speak one thing about one thing. Okay, I have to clear one thing because you know when I reviewed all the footage I took like at daylight, right? And I found that the stabilization on the Xiaomi 14 actually is really bad. It's like the worst among the three, and that cannot be possible, right? So I just updated the firmware, and you know what? And yeah, there's new firmware updated there. So I just updated. So, but I really don't want to go back, you know, and reshoot the videos, you know, again. So you just check out all the night footage, right? So if you see the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, oh, has a good stabilization, and then okay, I would reckon that the okay, it would have a great daylight video stabilization. But if not, then Xiaomi 14 Ultra seems has not that great stabilization, right? Well, anyway, that's the video, and I really hope you guys can subscribe because I always do this kind of latest hands-on, honest, you know, reviews for you guys. You guys really need to, you know, help me out. Okay, just subscribe. What do you have to lose, right? And I spend all the time, money, energy to do all these videos just for you guys. So please subscribe. Okay, and the stabilization. Okay, I'm about to run a little bit. I don't know. It seems. Now the stabilization on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra not bad, right? But I can see seems the jittery on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. But anyway, that's it. Okay, that's the night videos. Alright, now let's test the zoom. How can we forget that? Okay, this is Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and this is the ultra wide, right? And then we go 1, 1.2, 1.8, 2.4, 3.4, 5.4, 7.1, all the way 9, all the way to 15. So this is the 15 times. Let's yeah, online, let's check out. A little bit green, but looks actually fine. Alright, this is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So this is 0.5, the ultra wide, or the go 1.2, 1.3, 1.7, 2, 2.9, 3.1. Okay, you can see the change lanes, right? You can see the 3 times looks really grainy, but when you change it to 3.2, oh, okay, everything becomes clear because they switch the lanes. Okay, 5, 5.2, 7.3, 9, all the way up to 15. Okay, so I don't know. I have to check this on the screen because for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra seems a little bit more grainy. No, the Xiaomi 14 Pro. This is the ultra wide. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5.4, 6, 8.1, all the way up to 15. So this is the 15 times. I can see from the screen literally. I think the Xiaomi 14 Pro is the worst, right? But I cannot say like for the 14 Ultra, 13 Ultra, which one is better. I have to check on the screen. You guys can always leave a comment below. Alright, now the zoom. So this is ultra wide, and let's go 1, 1.5, 2, 2.6, 7, 3.6. Go 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 15. So this is the 15. Quality coffee, quite noisy. Yeah. Now on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Okay, this is the ultra wide. Let's go 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, you can see the lanes changing. 5, 10, 15. Okay, this is the 15 times on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Finally, let's check on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. This is the ultra wide. 1, 2.6, 4.8, 9, all the way to 15. So I don't even need to see from the computer. I can see the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the best. What do you think?